Want to hide an Instagram reel without deleting it? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to archive Instagram reels quickly and easily. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. Once there, switch to the Reels tab to view all the reels you've posted. Scroll through and find the reel you'd like to archive. Tap on the reel to open it in full view. Now, look for the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner of the reel and tap it. A pop-up menu will appear with multiple options. From the menu, select Manage, then tap Archive to move the reel to your archive. To confirm, tap Archive again on the final pop-up screen. Your reel is now archived. It will no longer appear on your profile or be visible to others, but you can still access it anytime from the Archive section in your settings. That's all it takes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips. See you in the next video.